Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the StoryGraph app. So let's get started. So here, I will just go and search for the StoryGraph app here. As you can see, I will just open it here. And so using it is very easy. So you can just select your whichever book that you want to study. So for example, I will just select this one. Okay, click on here. You can click on to read, and from here you can just create your account. I don't have an account. Then you can put your email address, confirm email address and other things. Then you have to do payment. Okay, sometimes it will be also free. So by this way you can just read the app, and so by this way you can just use your story graph app. And if you want to scan the QR code of the book, you can scan from here as well. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.